So after I just won 6, I didn't do it on video because I suck, that's why. I ran into this sick... Wait, look, there's already 50 cents to this thing. Sweet, this guy's gonna cost me $0.25. Please don't steal the money. A toy for $0.25, and it's like the raddest vending machine prize ever. Sweet beans, man. Look, green. That's awesome. I owe these other machines some money now just because of that, so... Okay, got an army man. That's pretty cool. Let me go get some Paw Patrols. Paw Patrol fan. Oh, look, I got the girl. Who is that, Sky? One more $1. And then the kids will let me go. Well, just for now. I mean, there's other machines I have to play. Okay, this thing didn't want to turn. Oh, sweet, I got a duck. They used to have a duck machine here, but evidently I'm that game's last customer. In the end, come back. Oh, there goes my quarter. Cha. And now one more. This is the one that stole my money when he was a duck, so I got my duck back. Oh, crap. And again, this machine is just all in all broke, but this place will refund me. I'll be right back. The manager-ish lady gave me 50 more cents. It's not the toys that don't give me my prize, it's the machine that takes my money, you know? The one machine pretended to. Oh, can I make that? Yeah, okay, I can. So I have a bag of plush here for the product. One of them I might be giving away to someone's grands who I work with at Albertsons. Farmer's Market, huh? Let's see what that is real quick before I go to At Home. I'll be right back. Making a detour. It's right here. I'm just gonna get the Joker real quick. Now it's a sellout. I can say this is one of the machines I emptied out.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
The only way you could win those is if you tap it.
Yeah, I know. You got to spend about $2 to get it.
Yeah. I have to win for my vending machine, and all the small machines are sold out. So I have to play a big machine for my vending machine because the toys are still small. So you got my second bracelet this trip. And it's as orange as my quarter holder. One of them anyway.
Your mom bought some at the other store.
I'm gonna wipe this machine clean too with Flash, so watch this. It's empty too now, sweet. And then I'll get another bracelet machine thing.
Here, let's try these chairs.
So now I have 3 bracelets total.